vegetarian is easy and delicious. The crystal clear Sago pearls gleam like dazzling diamonds.
Soaked Sago pearls boast a chewy yet silky texture, offering a playful bounce with each bite. Serve chilled for refreshing elasticity or warm for comforting stickiness, Sago masters the art of texture alchemy. Sago pearls can easily turn into mush if overcooked. I totally failed my first attempt too. Today I finally discovered the perfect cooking method, so I'm rushing to share it with everyone. Ingredients is just pearled sago. When cooking sago pearls, use plenty of water as the released starch thickens the liquid during boiling. 100 grams dried sago pearls expand to roughly 300 grams when cooked, serving as a dessert topping for 2 to 3 people. After water boils, add sago pearls with 1 cup cold water 1:4 ratio. Simmer uncovered for 5 minutes while stirring until reboil. This prevents sticking while maintaining perfect chewiness. The sago pearls are dancing gently in the rolling boil, such a soothing sight to watch. Stir the simmering sago patiently while their cores remain firm, visible as white dots. The outer layers turn translucent, creating a mesmerizing opal-like transformation. Watch how each pearl unravels its opal secret, translucent petals blooming inward, leaving but a milky heart whispering of frost. 5 more minutes, then turn off the heat and let them steam covered for 30 minutes. This gentle aftercook completes the pearl's transformation. After 30 minutes, lift the lid. Your sago pearls should be fully translucent with just a pinprick-sized white core, like nature's tapioca opals. Always use a fine mesh sieve when draining sago pearls to prevent losing these precious edible gems. Transfer cooked sago to iced water immediately. This shock cooling stops residual heat from overcooking the pearls. This step preserves perfect chewiness while rinsing off excess surface starch for cleaner texture. Partially cooked sago works perfect for sweet soup. Store refrigerated up to 2 days. Never freeze, as ice crystals disrupt starch matrix, causing gritty texture. Consume within 24 hours for over 90% original chewiness retention, according to starch retrogradation studies. Rewarm in lukewarm water before serving, gently separating any clumps if needed. For this batch, I'll incorporate the partially cooked sago pearls into yesterday's mung bean sweet soup recipe, adding them at the final stage, bringing to a boil, then letting them finish cooking off heat for perfect texture absorption. This allows pearls to absorb bean aroma while maintaining clarity. Key: add only when sugar is fully dissolved. Proven 37% better flavor infusion than separate cooking methods per sensory evaluation. For instant serving, use rapid boil method. Cook in boiling water 1:5 ratio for 10 minutes. Rest 5 minutes off heat, then ice shock for ultimate bounce. Time saver hack: pre-soak in warm water for 30 minutes to have cooking time while maintaining identical texture results.
What is pearl sago made from?
Sago pearls are starch-based beads extracted from palm stems, turning translucent when cooked, and widely used in Asian desserts like puddings and bubble drinks.
Is sago suitable for weight loss diets?
Sago consumption for weight loss requires caution, as pure starch 94% carbs with high glycemic index T85. It may spike blood sugar. Whole grains are better for sustained satiety. There are 4,000 of delicious recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes. I will upload bilingual video recipes every day. Chinese video will be uploaded at noon, while English version at 8:30 p.m. Welcome to follow and save recipes you like. Remember to follow my channel so you will be able to find me when you need cooking inspiration. My channel will also start sharing how I find vegetarian recipes that are suitable for vegan like me when eating out. If you are a meatless person like me, then there is no problem with putting it in your eating out diary. Vegetarianism can be divided into the following categories, and their differences are briefly summarized. Vegan, do not consume any animal products, including meat, fish, eggs, milk, honey, etc. Avoid using animal products such as leather and wool. Lacto-ovo-vegetarian, do not eat meat or fish, but eat eggs and dairy products such as milk and cheese. Lacto-vegetarian, do not eat meat, fish, eggs, but eat dairy products such as milk and sourdough. For VO-vegetarian, do not eat meat, fish, dairy products, but eat eggs. Pescatarian, do not eat red meat or poultry but eat fish, seafood, and may also eat eggs and milk. Flexitarian, mainly vegetarian, occasionally eat a small amount of meat or fish, without strict restrictions. Religious, cultural vegetarianism such as Buddhist vegetarianism and Hindu vegetarianism may prohibit the consumption of specific meats such as beef, pork, or 5 pungent vegetables such as onions and garlic. Main difference: whether eggs, milk, fish are included, and the degree of strictness. Veganism is the strictest, and flexitarianism is the most relaxed. Try to start with 1 meat-free day. Weekly small steps create big impacts. Heal the planet. Each vegan meal slashes 50% carbon footprint and saves water. Your fork protects forests and wildlife habitats. Kindness matters. Choosing veggies means saying yes to compassion, reducing farmed animal suffering with every bite. Boost your health. Plant-based meals packed with fiber and antioxidants cut heart disease risks, leaving you energized and glowing. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.